Hi. In this video I will show you how to make unique function in Excel. This function is only available in Excel 365. But we will make this function in Excel 2013 and above version using VBA coding. First, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, and click on Customize the ribbon. Make sure to check the Developer tab and click OK. Now go to the Developer tab and click on the Visual Basic. This will open Visual Basic Editor. Right-click here, Insert, and insert the module. Here uniques is the function name. Now I will create dictionary object. Here we will loop through each cell in data, and check if it not exist in the dictionary, then add to the dictionary. Here we will pass all the added key values to this function. Here you can see, this function returns all the unique values, but column-wise. To solve this issue, we will use transpose function of Excel. Now you can see, this function is working perfectly. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.